Quick one here on a repair I did to my chainsaw about 2 years ago. It sprang a leak in the fuel tank. I'd say there was a problem with the seam in the manufacturing process and the fuel was coming out, and I tried a few different methods to get it fixed. Used a few different epoxies and hardeners, and over a period of a few weeks, and each of them I lasted for about 4 or 5 days, and the leak came back again. And I was searching around for a solution, and I came across this particular one. I'm not sure whether it was on YouTube or on the internet, but it worked perfectly well for me, and it still is working to this day. And I'd say this repair has been here for at least, well, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 years, something like that. And what the cure is basically some super glue and ordinary baking soda. And how it works, I'll do a demonstration on this piece of wood here. I'll put a bit of super glue on the wood to imitate the fixing of a repair. Put a bit on it here. Then I get a bit of baking soda, take it out a bit on the knife here, and put it onto the super glue. It'll only take a fraction of a second. I blow off the excess of the baking soda, and here what we have. I don't know if you can see it or how well you see it here. This mixture here of baking soda and super glue is absolutely rock hard, and that was the cure that I got for the fuel tank. Now I probably overdid the job because the leak was here, but any of the other stuff that I used to try and fix it, at the end of the stuff that I put on, the fuel will come out at the end. So I used this all along the line of the seam. I've had no leaks since. Now at the moment it's full of fuel, absolutely nothing coming out, and the best cure I've ever seen for something like this, and it's very cheap. Bit of ordinary baking soda and a bit of super glue. And not just did it work on that, I had another ordinary fuel tank here belonging to a friend of mine, Mike from Phoenix. You'll know your name, you'll know yourself. There was a little bit of a leak here, and I applied the mixture of super glue and baking soda, and that was several months ago. I still have your tank, Mike. You're going to get it back now. Since when I finish this video, an absolute, completely foolproof cure. I had an implement here as well, a pick-up tool for picking up little pieces of rubbish, and I broke this part of it back here about 6 or 9 months ago, and I applied the same mixture, the super glue and the baking soda, and the thing is working fine ever since. It probably doesn't look the best, but you know, who's going to be looking at it except myself. So there it is, a cure for a fuel tank. The proprietary epoxies and hardeners that are specifically made for curing a leak in a fuel tank didn't work in this case, but this cheap mix of baking soda and super glue worked properly, worked perfectly for me. So okay people, if you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up, and if you send in a comment and I need to make a reply to it, I'll do that. So hopefully see you in the next one, and thanks for looking and listening.